Vitamin milk. This New Zealand milk powder is high in calcium and rich in protein. Milk powder from cows raised on natural grass. Black ginger extract provides antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging energy. Natural anti-UV, anti-inflammatory, anti-kidney ice shower extract. Black cumin seed contains omega-3 and 6, which kill the gut insects, fight viruses, destroys bad wood. Niacetylglutamine acid nanoganglioside, a component of the brain neuron membrane. Nano sweeteners, natural sweeteners, no calories. Inulin, prebiotics that help the growth of probiotics in the gut. Functions and benefits: helps to strengthen bones, helps to keep hair clean and strong, helps to rejuvenate skin, maintain beauty and genital health. How to use: children, 1 small packet mixed with 140 milliliters hot water. Adults, 1 to 2 small packets mixed with 140 to 280 milliliters hot water. Eat at all ages. Eat better at night. Contact address: Old Market, Pig Nose, in front of Pursat Primary School, Pursat Province. Telephone 012 50 5041 071 96 88 880 and 070 66 4258. Thank you.